Welcome to Smart Bot, part of ProfitHub's bot engines. This is a quick, hands-on walkthrough of the whole panel. Let's take a look. Smart Bot is a multi-market auto trader for Deriv synthetic indices. You set an initial strategy and a recovery strategy, and it trades them automatically. On the right, it streams live signals from 13 volatility markets at once. To open it, go to the top menu and choose Bot Engines. Then select the Smart Bot tab. Everything is on one screen. Controls on the left, live markets below and to the right. First, the initial trade. Type the trade the bot opens by default. You can pick a fixed type over 4, over 5, under 4, under 5 even, odd, rise or fall, or let it auto-analyze the last n ticks and choose the side for you. Next, the recovery type, what the bot does after a loss. There are 12 recovery strategies across over, under, even, odd, and rise fall, each combining pattern or percent logic in the same or reversal direction. Pick the one that matches how you want to recover. Now your numbers. Analyze last n ticks sets how much history the auto-analysis looks at. Stake is your base trade size in US dollars. Take profit and stop loss stop the bot automatically when you reach your target or your limit. Turn on Martingale on loss if you want the stake to grow after a losing trade. The multiplier controls how aggressively it grows. Use this one carefully. When your setup is ready, press Start Bot. It begins trading automatically and tracks won, lost, and your net profit right at the top. On the right, the Active Markets panel shows live ticks from up to 13 volatility indices. You can watch the recent digits and the over-under read for each market in real time. It helps you see which markets currently look favorable before you commit. A quick, honest note. Synthetic index digits are random. No setting guarantees a win. And Martingale can grow your stake fast. Always start on a demo account and never trade money you can't afford to lose. That's SmartBot. Set your strategy, check the markets, and start on demo. For more tools and support, visit ProfitHub.trade or find ProfitHub on Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching.